This is setup of Tapo MagCam Solar 4K. You're gonna start by making sure you have the Tapo app downloaded. Then you're gonna come over to your 4K, remove this rubber flap, and then press the power button right here until you hear it start up. Camera on. It's gonna say camera on. Should see some blinking there, red and green. Okay, open up your Tapo app, come to the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner, add a device, and this is technically an outdoor camera. So now we're gonna search for this particular camera. So to help you, because the naming doesn't actually say, you have to look very close on the camera itself. And this is the Tapo C460 right there. We're already flashing red and green. All right, this one requires you to connect to the Wi-Fi. So we're gonna connect, here we go. It found it, still blinking. Tapo is showing the password in plain text twice. I'm gonna hit next and have it connect that way. Connecting to Wi-Fi. I thought you were getting better, Tapo. You're hit or miss now. So we're gonna give this a chance to connect to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected. Connected to Wi-Fi, not bad, good. Name your device, gonna hit next. Where is this located? Well, I created a group called Backyard, so that's where it's gonna go. And now you can select an image that will represent this camera. There, hit next, everything's complete. You've got a 30-day free trial of cloud storage if you want, not really necessary. So I'm gonna just say, got it, I'm done. Reminding you to kind of put an SD card on there. I'm gonna do that later. Firmware, when would you like to automatically check? Well, I'm gonna leave it as is. Now it's telling you to close the port, which I already had done, but we're gonna hit next. And now it's going to test right there. There's our video, it's coming in good. And now it's gonna walk you through placement, setup. We're gonna hit next. Don't put it through glass because it uses a PIR sensor. How to properly angle it, showing you better angles, 1, 2, and 3 to give you the best chance of it catching something. And next, and it's telling you to fully charge before mounting. I'm going to say, we're not gonna charge now, we're gonna mount now. So it's showing us the different ways that we can mount this. We've got the easy way, which is just use the magnetic backing, but I'm gonna say this one, which is use the completed mount guide. So here we go. We can either mount the solar panel and this separately, or we can add them together. Next. So I'm going to say we're going to do it like this, where it's 1 and 1. Draw your template, put it there, drill, drill, drill. Make sure it's clean, proper angling, connection for the cable. We don't have to start the test because I'm going to skip that because I'm holding it right now. And then there we go. You can see me behind the camera. Next, that was a Wi-Fi test, and now it's all set. So that was the setup for the Tapo MagCam 4K. Not bad.